Hi viewers, welcome to Myra Media and this is Pratik Ishwar. Thank you all for liking my videos, sharing my videos and guys, I'm really happy for Myra Media because this is the one of the best channel where you can get all kinds of foodies in Hyderabad and not only foodies, you have got all automotives also. And guys, today we are in Pakwan Gachibowli and you can see like Pakwan Gachibowli is one of the best halim in Hyderabad. So guys, as you know that halim is very famous in Hyderabad and as well as biryani is also very famous in Hyderabad. So you can see the halim, Pakwan halim is going on here and you can just come in so that I can show you some Pakwan, all these things, images and everything of Pakwan visuals. And you can see this Pakwan is really, this is the taking parcel and everything. And see, like we'll ask a small review. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Yeah, tell me like how about you like the halim here?
It's very good. It's very tasty, seriously, and it's a Ramadan season, so it's awesome.
You regularly visit here?
Yeah.
Okay, how often you visit here actually?
It's like in a week, twice. Yeah, twice or thrice. That's it.
Okay. So guys, he'll be visiting twice and he is really happy with Pakwan halim. And like how about the taste here actually first?
Taste is very good. Yeah.
Okay, so you will be coming along with your friends and all.
Yeah, sure.
Fine, thanks a lot. And okay, Acha, you are taking parcel also?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, very nice. So guys, you have seen the customer like he is, carrying the halim also. So like these kind of customers are so many who are liking Pakwan halim actually. So thank you, thanks a lot. Thanks. So guys, so why don't you also come and try Pakwan halim over here? And you can see the Pakwan, we'll just go inside and see the Pakwan visuals actually, where you can see this all kinds of boxes are here and all kinds of boxes are here and along with pure mutton and pure ghee. And this is kind of such a halim like which is one of the best in town. And you can see even these ingredients like cashew and coriander and even lemons are there and even top them with onion rings. And even you can see the halim in the Pakwan halim is in the boxes and everything, This is the special Pakwan halim where you can see. So guys, I think this is the best halim over here in Hyderabad. So why don't you guys can come and have a great taste of halim here? Why? Because the Pakwan halim is made up of pure mutton and pure ghee. And even, you can even enjoy after this halim pan because pan is also very famous in Pakwan Grand. So we have a customer here. Hi brother, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hi brother, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
You have tasted halim here. How is it actually?
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Okay.
Also good. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And like regularly you visit here?
Yeah, I do very good.
Which is the best item you taste here actually?
Yeah, this season is for Halim.
Okay,
This
this
month
one
is
nice.
for, yeah.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. And tell me like what you have tasted here?
I'm tasted here Halim weekly once a year.
Okay. You have tasted, come here and regularly you visit here. Just see there so that your face can appear very nice. And which one is regular taste here? Regular visit.
We'll come here. Tandoori chicken is very tasty.
Tandoori chicken. You like tandoori chicken here? So you guys, he likes tandoori chicken here. So what you are going to like here? So visit Pakwan and have a great taste of Hyderabad. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. कैसे आप?
एकदम फाइन, बहुत अच्छा हूँ।
क्या खाना है?
हलीम खाने आया, स्पेशल हलीम।
कैसा है?
बहुत ज़बरदस्त, बहुत खुशनुमा, बहुत अच्छा है।
तो माशाल्लाह बोलना चाहिए ना?
माशाल्लाह, माशाल्लाह।
Mashallah. So he's selling mashallah. So halim is very nice here. So guys, you can also come and have a great taste of Pakwan Grand in Gachibowli. Thank you. So here we have a small managing director of Pakwan here and say hi.
Hi.
So viewers, you know that when I have started my channel at the time, he was a small kid. Now he is, he's bigger now. And tomorrow day, he is going to take care of Pakwan. And really, since childhood only, he is starting in hard work and quality maintenance and everything. So superb, and we need to, hats off to him. So viewers, as you know that Pakwan Grand is very famous and it's a very tasty biryani and halim over here. We have few customers here, so we'll ask a review. Ma'am, hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, so which is the food you are tasting now in Pakwan Grand actually?
This is mutton biryani.
Mutton biryani. You regularly come to Pakwan Grand?
No, this is the first time.
Okay, so how about the food actually? You liked it?
Yeah, of course. Good.
Very nice. And ma'am, you tell me which is the favorite dish over here in Pakwan Grand actually?
This is the first time we came, so we are tasting this mutton biryani.
Okay, so first time you came here, but still you like the biryani, right?
Yes.
Okay, here we have a very celebrity small customer, and we need to ask her how about she like the biryani here. Hi, how are you? Aki, hi, how are you?
Say hello. Say hi.
Actually, she is little bit nervous. Why? Because I am big, she is small. So when I become small, she will give me an interview. Sir, hi, sir, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Sir, tell me, like, first time you are coming to the restaurant, so how about you taste here the food and biryani?
It's really good. It's really good.
So you will come next time also.
Definitely.
So viewers, now we have one customer who came from US and ma'am is now in Pakwan Grand. Ma'am, hi, ma'am, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine, ma'am. And how is the food here in Pakwan Grand actually?
Good.
So about US, like how you compare US to Hyderabad? US is good or Hyderabad is good?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. You love Hyderabad?
Yeah, I love
And Hyderabad biryani also.
Yes, of course.
And now Ramzan season is going on, so I think you love even Halim, right?
Yes.
Very nice, ma'am. All the good luck and come to Hyderabad. Whenever you come to Hyderabad, come to Pakwan Grand also. So we have a few customers here, so we'll just ask their review. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Ma'am, regularly you visit here?
Not regularly. This is the second time I'm coming to this place.
Okay. Which is which food do you like here most?
I always prefer eating biryani, so I think that is something which
It's
I.
Halim season. So how about Halim?
Halim, I haven't tried in Pakwan. Maybe you can ask someone who has.
So here is one more ma'am. We'll ask her. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. You tried Halim here?
Yes, it is very good.
Okay. Is it tasty?
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Okay, so regularly, like keeping apart Halim, which is the favorite dish here in Pakwan Grand actually?
Chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani. Okay, so chicken biryani is the favorite dish of ma'ams and guys. So please visit Pakwan Grand Gachibowli. Thank you.
Please subscribe Myra Media.